The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines the concept of ultra-luxury travel, bringing the unmatched elegance, craftsmanship, and technological sophistication of the Rolls-Royce brand into the world of mobile living. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this motorhome commands presence like no other. The exterior is a seamless fusion of the classic Rolls-Royce DNA with futuristic automotive architecture. A bold yet graceful silhouette carved with aerodynamic precision is wrapped in a flawless two-tone finish, accentuated by the iconic Pantheon grille at the front and the Spirit of Ecstasy poised proudly on the hood. Polished chrome accents trace the body lines, while full-length LED light strips contour the edges, creating a floating effect during nighttime travel. The expansive windshield flows into a panoramic glass canopy that extends overhead, providing breathtaking sky views from inside. Massive 24-inch custom-forged wheels, bearing the signature self-righting RR center caps, glide effortlessly thanks to advanced air suspension technology that adjusts in real time for a cloud-like ride. Step inside, and the Rolls-Royce Motorhome reveals an interior that is nothing short of a moving palace. Every inch is masterfully designed, hand-stitched, and thoughtfully appointed with the finest materials on earth. Plush leather surfaces, meticulously finished with cross-stitched piping, line the walls, seats, and ceiling trims. The flooring combines heated solid oak planks with hand-woven wool carpets sourced from the Scottish Highlands. The cabin is a sanctuary of peace and technology. The living area boasts electronically adjustable massage loungers that recline at the touch of a button, positioned around a silent, retractable OLED cinema screen. Ambient lighting, inspired by starlit skies, is integrated into the ceiling panels and adjusts according to mood and time of day. At the heart of the motorhome is an ultra-modern galley kitchen that looks like it belongs in a five-star hotel suite. Seamless marble countertops glide open to reveal induction cooking surfaces and an integrated espresso machine. Sub-zero refrigeration, a wine chiller, and smart storage compartments ensure that every culinary experience onboard is refined and effortless. Adjacent to the kitchen is a formal dining area with extendable crystal tables and two captain's chairs that swivel and rise automatically for ease of entry and optimal positioning. The master suite at the rear offers absolute privacy and serenity. A king-sized floating bed is suspended via magnetic levitation technology, minimizing vibrations and allowing for truly uninterrupted rest. Behind sliding privacy glass panels lies a personal spa retreat featuring a rainfall shower with chromotherapy lighting, heated marble benches, and a full-sized mirror that doubles as a smart display. The bathroom fixtures are bespoke creations, plated in brushed platinum, while the aroma diffusing system offers customizable scents to match your mood, whether it's the rich smell of sandalwood, ocean breeze, or a signature Rolls-Royce cologne. Technological sophistication is at the core of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Powered by a next-generation electric powertrain derived from the Rolls-Royce Spectre, this vehicle offers near-silent propulsion with over 700 horsepower and a range exceeding 500 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capability allows an 80% refill in under 20 minutes, thanks to an advanced solid-state battery system. All systems onboard, from climate control to entertainment, are managed through an AI concierge named Eleanor, who learns the preferences of each passenger and adapts the environment accordingly. Through holographic interface panels or voice command, travelers can adjust lighting, stream content, or even navigate scenic routes curated by Rolls-Royce's luxury travel algorithm. The cockpit blends pilot-grade instrumentation with Rolls-Royce refinement. The driver's seat is a throne upholstered in soft-grain leather, facing a minimalist digital cluster embedded within a crystal dashboard. Night vision, 360-degree HD cameras, and Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities ensure unmatched safety and ease of navigation, allowing the driver to relinquish control and join passengers when needed. Soundproofing is at aerospace levels, with triple-seal doors and active noise cancellation creating a tranquil cocoon on the move. Outside, the motorhome offers an extendable luxury deck system. At the press of a button, the side panels expand outward and downward, forming a floating terrace complete with retractable sunshades, integrated heating, and a built-in outdoor kitchen. Fine teak finishes and hand-cut crystal lighting complete the setup, transforming a simple roadside stop into a gala-worthy environment. For those desiring an even higher level of personalization, Rolls-Royce's Bespoke program allows clients to tailor every aspect of the motorhome, from rare wood veneers and leather finishes to embroidered ceiling constellations that replicate the star map from a client's birth date. Art collectors can request a rotating art gallery mechanism that displays masterpieces under museum-grade lighting. There's even the option for a deployable drone pad and telescope suite for nature and stargazing excursions. In every respect, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome transcends traditional boundaries of RV living. It's not merely transportation, nor simply accommodation, it's a moving experience curated by artisans, engineers, and visionaries. This vehicle caters to the elite traveler who refuses to compromise, merging the opulence of a private jet with the freedom of open-road exploration. Whether cruising the Amalfi Coast, gliding through the Swiss Alps, or parked beneath the Northern Lights, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers a lifestyle previously unimaginable, yet now perfectly attainable, provided one can meet its rarefied price tag and bespoke waiting list. Above all, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's an expression of aspiration, a declaration of taste, and a masterpiece of mobile living. It redefines what it means to travel in style, setting a new gold standard for those who dare to dream beyond first class.